Hi, lovelies, welcome again to Wendy Style. So, for the sophisticated woman really seeking elegance in that red carpet event, or you have a party to really attend, this new week, I'd like you guys to please check out this timeless short hairstyles for beautiful black women. This haircut today exudes grace, it exudes refinement, and that kind of hairstyle will really add this touch of luxury, making it that perfect fit for classy gathering. I want you to see this haircut. You can see they come in a variety of designs. You can use your different colors on it. For those that love the blonde or the ox blood, or you want to have the surgical lines or pattern on your hair, it will really make your hair look beautiful and add that versatility to your hair. And it's a haircut you can see that will always make you to express your individual style and always make you look classy. So beyond this aesthetic, I want you guys to please take a good look on this haircut. It's so beautiful. It's just a style that reflects that sense of let's say homage, like to richness and craftsmanship. Is a haircut that will always elevate your presence at every party, and this kind of style will always make you look sophisticated. So you can see,
bring it on, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Oh, yeah, 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 yo. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people, take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't let the people say to you, for your shame I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, 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 le, le, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach a breath of life. That's how I call my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me. Just breathe your name upon me, reach. Oh, your name, what is your name, breathe, Lord. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe.
Yeah. Just breathe your name upon us. Just have your way in our lives. Now that there is trouble and confusion, yeah. Let your healing hand do wonders in our lives, Lord, yeah. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach a breath of life. That's how I call my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me. Just breathe your name upon me.